Hello, welcome to week 3, Hexter 6. And for physics, we're studying thermodynamics. From the word alone, thermo and dynamics, you might be able to figure out what that is getting after. And thermo, the root word, has something to do with heat, a thermometer, okay, thermostat. And the dynamics has to do with motion. So that's what we're going to be talking about this week. For our discussion post, there's an observational activity. Make sure you do this post. It's graded, okay? It won't take you very long. You watch a short video and it tests your memory and observation skills. The more you practice things like that, the better observer you'll become. Moving on to lesson 1, very simply, a power, work, and energy flow chart. Your task is to copy block for block. When I say block, this is what I mean. Word for word and arrow for arrow, this flow chart, and helps you to get to know the meaning of work, energy, and power. Okay, so there it is. Copy flow chart, submit it back to me. Then there's a short reading on work, the physics definition of work, short quiz. There's another reading on the science of heat, okay, about the transfer of energy. All right. And then there is a short quiz on that as well. We have another reading, heat and thermal energy. So this talks about when scientists studied thermodynamics. They were studying heat and thermal energy. After you do that reading, there's some definitions I'm asking for. So not a full quiz, just a few definitions from the reading for you to provide for me. Okay. After that, laws of thermodynamics. Okay. So for this reading, it'll talk about the various laws of thermodynamics that are constant, that scientists have observed and used in their studies, and laws that they have observed for hundreds of years. And when you do these, this reading here, jumped a little bit, heat and thermal energy, laws of thermodynamics, easy for me to say. The first law is called the zeroth law. Don't let that throw you, okay? But what your task is going to be is to take these 3 laws, all right, and then on this page right here, this assignment page, that means assignment when there's a pencil, what you'll do is just give a brief explanation of each law. Sentence or 2 is fine. If you want to go more than 1 or 2 sentences, that's fine as well. So all you have to do is tell me what the 3 laws of thermodynamics explain. So relatively busy work, nothing too heavy though. Don't forget, assignments not completed from weeks 1 and 2 will be marked as missing, and that gives you a 0, and 0 is never a good thing when it comes to a grade. Good thing is you can make up those assignments, okay? Feel free to get after it, use your time wisely, and you'll have this, you'll be caught up and with all 3 weeks by the end of this week. Have a great week, guys.